Welcome to Tech Talk. This is Jason Dubray from Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. I am the owner and CEO of SAS, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about this segment that we're going to start. We are calling it Tech Talk. So for those of you that don't know, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions is your number one resource in the autoclave industry for all things technical support. One thing that we try to do to set ourselves apart from the industry is we actually have a free technical support line, which elevates us to a whole new level of customer support. We do this for any industry, so it can be for medical, dental, veterinary, tattoo, piercing, nail salons, you name it. If you have a tabletop autoclave, we are the number one resource to go to. We pride ourselves on putting out the most amount of information from a technical capacity and from a customer service perspective in the industry. So we're going to start this tech talk, and essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go over real live phone calls that we receive day in and day out with things that you are calling in for. So what I have here in front of me are actual tech logs that our highly trained technicians are filling out when they receive a phone call from you in the field in your time of need. So I'll just kind of go through some highlights of what we will do on a phone call. We're going to take the customer's name. We are going to get the business information. We're going to get some contact information so that we can call you back if we get disconnected. We are going to understand if you're an existing customer of ours or not. And why is that important? That's important because we do free technical support, whether you're our customer or not, whether you've purchased from us or not. If you have an issue, if you want to understand preventative maintenance, you're getting a cycle fault, you name it, anything having to do with an autoclave and technical support, we will support you whether you're our customer or not. We're going to identify the make and model of the unit. So we deal in the top brands in the industry. We work on Sycan, Midmark, Tutenauer, Nbio, and W&H. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get right into the issue. We're going to ask you to be in front of the machine. We're going to start diagnosing right over the phone. So something that we pride ourselves in: don't waste your time with a service call. Don't pay somebody to show up. Don't set an appointment for next week. Pick up the phone, call 704-966-1650, option 3, and you will get a live technician immediately. And this is a free service. You do not pay a penny. We are doing this because it's the right thing to do. We are trying to educate our customers. We are trying to help our customers, and we're trying to get you diagnosed right over the phone. So our technicians are highly trained. They are factory trained. They will go through a series of question and answer with you while you have the unit. Oftentimes, we will also have the unit right in front of us as well. We have a few options at that point. We do it straight over the phone. If there's a need to take a cover off a unit or go a little bit deeper, we can use FaceTime. We can use any other channels of video chat that are available from a technology platform standpoint. And we're going to go through and we're going to actually diagnose this with you. We're going to take these notes, and then we are going to hopefully get you to a resolution right on the phone. But if we don't, what we're going to do is we are going to offer you the ability to send that unit to us for repair. And we will repair that and send it back to you. Once we've gone through this process, and in many cases we can solve your issues right over the phone. If we do that, we will solve the problem, and then our customer service team is going to follow up with you in the coming business days to make sure, number one, that you are satisfied with the service that we gave you, and number two, that you don't have any more additional issues. So that's kind of the process of how we do our free technical support. Very excited to start bringing this to you. This is real world stuff that's happening day in and day out, real world questions, real world answers. Our goal is to be putting this out every Tuesday and every Thursday. And what we're going to do is I will actually have the real tech log that we used, and I will invite the actual technician that took the phone call, and we will have a discussion on what you as the end user discussed and or needed, and how we got to a resolution. So we're very excited about this program. We're very excited about what we do offer. We're trying to get it out into the world so that everybody understands we are the free place to go for technical support. We are the only place that's going to give you real-time information. And we're trying to build customers for life. So again, I'm Jason Dubray, CEO, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. That technical support number is 704-966-1650. We invite you to call. We would love to chat with you. We would love to help solve your problems.